How to turn off shuffling on Spotify? Well, let me show you exactly how it's done. As you know, most of the playlists are put into this auto shuffling mode, but if you want the songs to play in the order that they're being shown in, here are some of the steps that you can follow. But before that, please subscribe to the channel, it helps a lot. And with that being said, let's begin with the video. So first up, all you have to do is go to Spotify, and let's say I click on this playlist called Release Radar, and over here you can see that the green play button is put in this auto shuffling mode as it is being shown in the bottom right, or as it is being shown in the small element in that logo. But if you want the songs to play in the order of or in the same order that they're being shown in, all you have to do is press on the first song, and that's pretty much it. They will not go into this auto shuffling mode. And in case you get the shuffling option, let's say I play the liked songs on my account. Let's say I start from here, and you can see over here in the bottom left corner there is this double cross-sectional arrow symbol. Well, that is the shuffle button, if you didn't know. And once you click on it, it will go into shuffle mode. Once you uncheck it, it will come into the normal mode, wherein it will play the next song in the list. Well, I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you comment down below, like the video, and also subscribe to the channel for future updates. Well, that's pretty much it. Bye bye.